Viewers, you're welcome. Let's see how we can solve this problem here. So we are given root parenthesis root x plus 2 all to the power of 2 equals 4. So what will be the value of x? So let's see what we're going to do. So since we are having square here, what we need to do is to square root the both sides. So I'm going to have something like this. Squaring the both sides, I'm going to have root what? I'm going to have root x, okay, plus 2. Then I'm having what? I'm having square here. I get in, and then equals. Then I will find the square root of what? Of 4. Okay, then plus or minus. Don't forget that. So now you can see that from here, this we cancel this. Okay, so we're going to be having root what? Root x, okay, plus 2 equals what? Equals plus or minus the square root of 4 is what? Is 2. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do from there is we are going to have this to be root what? Root x, okay, plus 2 equals, because we are having positive and negative, values here, so we are going to have two equations from there. So that will be by taking the positive value, which is 2, or we have root x, okay, so plus 2 equals negative what? Negative 2. Are you following? So now from there, when you move on, so we're going to have what? We're going to have this equation. We're going to have it to be root x, okay, then plus 2 equals what? Equals 2 minus what? Minus 2. When you transpose this to the other side, okay, so that's what you're going to have. Then, or we have this to be root x, okay, equals minus 2. All right, then minus 2. So from here we have root x to be equals, so 2 minus 2 will give us 0, or we have what? Root x, then equals what? Equals minus 4. Now taking the square root, or taking the square of both sides, okay, so we're going to have root x all squared equals 0 squared. So we see that this, we cancel this, we are left with what? We are left with x equals what? Equals 0. Now here, root x, okay, equals to minus what? Minus 4. We cannot have the solution here. The reason is that the square root of positive integers cannot give us negative integers. All right, so that's the reason why we cannot use this. So we're going to reject this. I mean, no solution here. So no what? We said no solution. No solution here. No solution. Understood? So for the 0 we only have 0 to be the only solution we have. For x equals 0, so now from the equation, we have the equation like this: root x, okay, plus 2 all to the power of 2 is going to give us 4. If you place x to be 0 here, so 0 square root plus 2 then to the power of 2 equals what? Equals 4. Okay, so we move on. So we're going to have square root of 0 is 0 plus 2 to the power of 2 equals what? Equals 4. Then also 0 plus 2, we have 2. 2 to the power of 2, we're going to have 4. Then 2 to the power of 2 give us 4 equals what? Equals 4. So that is the solution to the problem. If you enjoyed the class, please kindly share to your friends. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload new content. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.